Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Myself Srija Chakraborty, the volunteer of Applied Forensic Research Sciences. Today I am going to discuss about a very interesting topic of inquest. So let's first discuss about what's the introduction of inquest. So here comes the definition, objective and the key players. The definition could be said that inquest is the short for investigative questioning for enhanced scientific technique is a cutting edge approach in forensic science. This basically means that in every departments of forensic science, it's very valuable that about a case a person does the investigation. So basically inquest is a part of thing which helps on about investigative questioning for the better enhancement of scientific techniques. Now comes the objective. What's the objective? The inquest aims to enhance the accuracy and reliability of forensic investigation by integrating advanced techniques and methodologies. Inquest basically focuses on unique methods and technologies for better investigative question. Now comes the key players. So who are the key players who does the inquest project successfully? They are the forensic experts, the investigators, and obviously the scientists who closely collaborate to ensure that the inquest projects comes into a success. Now comes the purpose and goals of inquest. So the first purpose and goals of inquest is it enhance the evidence collection, which is the main part of forensic science analysis. That is, inquest basically the techniques of inquest enables the forensic scientists to help the collection of crucial physical and digital evidences or any other evidences which are present in the crime spot with proper accuracy and precision and efficiency. Next comes it improves in forensic analysis. So it's basically by leveraging state of the art tools and technologies. Inquest helps to the forensic scientist to get the proper accuracy of the result, and it increases the speed of forensic analysis. Then thirdly, it comes the increased case solvability. So basically what happens is that inquest is such a lovely process of the investigation that it helps in better result of the case. When the investigation basically gives a lead to the case, and its help in proper solvation of the case by bringing justice to the victims and also closure to families. Now comes the methods used in inquest. So it basically consists of three methods, that is advanced lab techniques, digital forensics and crime scene analysis. The very precise work done by a scientist could be done in crime scene analysis, because crime scene analysis could give the best hints to solve a crime. So it's a very important and crucial method used in inquest. Secondly, it comes the advanced lab techniques. Definitely the DNA profiling, the chemical analysis, the toxicity analysis, the ballistics analysis, all these are employed for precise forensic examination. Next come the digital forensics, which is at the peak and height of the forensic department nowadays. So basically inquest incorporates a very sophisticated digital investigation techniques to retrieve valuable evidence from electronic devices. Definitely like a mobile forensic, we could also say it's kind of cyber security. So all this comes under digital forensics. Now comes a very interesting part, that's the examples of successful inquest investigations. Basically we every time read a subject or study or know about a topic, when it comes to the basic application of the real life examples, it gets very clearer and easy to understand for us. So here also comes the cases which has been successful with the help of inquest investigations. So the case one could be said as the mysterious disappearance. So this is a part where using inquest techniques, the forensic experts have cracked a long missing person. And it was such a lovely thing that after so many years, the person met his family and the closure one. So all this happens due to inquest investigations only. Case 2 is cyber fraud unveiled. So it's a kind of advanced digital forensics which has been used in inquest, exposed to sophisticated cyber fraud network and the hijackers and the hackers. So the cyber fraud was been identified with the help of inquest investigation, and it helps lead to multiple arrests and dismantling the operation. So the third one was the cold case breakthrough. So what is this? It's a kind of decade old homicide case. So that case was very much unsolved till date, but after inquest came, it helps in providing justice for the victim and closure for the family. Now we all know a thing which have benefits definitely should have a limitation. So similarly, inquest also have some challenges and limitations. We will be talking about challenges and limitation of inquest in this slide. So basically, if a case is very complex, then the inquest is sometimes not applicable. It has a barrier at that point, like solving intricate criminal cases, which requires too much of knowledge and expertise, but inquest do need that. So for some of the complexity of the cases, very complicated case, inquest could be unsuccessful also. Next come the resource intensive. Yeah, that's a very high point. That is, everything needs a resource. Inquest do needs lot of resource for its investigation, proper accuracy. So sometimes if there is no great funds, resources could be limited, which could definitely limit the inquest investigation. Third is admissibility in court. Sometimes inquest findings as evidence in court can sometimes present legal challenges, like it could be emotional attachment with the family who can't bear to get to the court. There could be many challenges that could not be admissible in court. So these are some of the limitations of inquest. Now let's talk about the future direction of inquest, that what will be the state of inquest after few years. So the first is technological advancement. In this 21st century, the technology, or what would say the digital part of our country, is improving great. So in inquest also, the technological advancement will definitely grow more. The technology will definitely fuel the evolution of inquest investigation methods, enhancing very speedy and accurate investigative results. Then comes the data integration and analysis. That is, here comes the AI, the artificial intelligence, which will definitely put a great essence and extra value to the inquest investigation. Then comes collaborative partnership. Definitely inquest will be partnered and collaborated with the forensic scientists, law enforcement agencies, and academics, which will definitely drive a proper crime-free country. Now let's discuss about the second last, probably the slide of our content, that is the conclusion and key takeaways. So mainly the conclusion of this inquest is, we could say that it's a powerful investigative mechanism, like it definitely gives a powerful tool which enhance the accuracy and precision and efficiency of a forensic investigation. Secondly comes the bridging the gap point. That this point deals that inquest effectively removes the gap between scientific advancement and criminal justice system. It delivers justice to the victims and definitely to its family and the community. And thirdly comes the continuous improvement. So yes, inquest is continuously evolving, and it will definitely reach a great point till the time of 24th century. Probably AI is advancing, digital part of forensic is advancing, so it will definitely give a great march. Now the interesting and the most interesting parts come, that is the case study which is related to inquest. So basically the case name is The Mysterious Death of Sarah Thompson, an inquest unraveling forensic secrets. So the background of the case is that there is a 32-year-old woman named Sarah Thompson who was found dead in her apartment on a cold winter morning. The circumstances around the case was that her death was unclear, definitely leading to the initiation of an inquest to determine the cause and manner of her demise. So the initial observation made was that the victim's body was discovered by her neighbor, who become concerned after not seeing her for a few days. The police also arrived at the crime scene and has definitely found no signs of forced entry or foul plays, and also didn't get the exit points. but Sarah's apartment was locked from the inside and there was no apparent injuries on her body, which was the most tricky part during the investigation. Then comes the forensic investigation. The forensic team, as usual, played a great role, conducted a thorough examination of the crime scene. They also collected the samples of hair, other potential evidences like blood, and whatever was found, the fiber, cloth fiber, body fibers. And the initial autopsy was done, and the report revealed no obvious cause of death, and toxicology screening was inconclusive. Now, one by one, there came the advanced forensic techniques, that is, to delve deeper into the investigation. The experts have also used the advanced technique. They have done the genetic analysis of the samples which have been collected in the crime scene, and it revealed the presence of a rare toxin which was found in the victim's body. Further research also indicated that the toxin or the poison which was found was derived from a plant known for its medicinal property but deadly when misused. It's really very, very dangerous. Now comes the digital forensics. So the victim, that is Sarah's electronic devices, including her mobile phone, that is smartphone, her laptop, her desktops and everything, were subjected to digital forensics. The experts checked the emails, the social media interactions, the text messages. Everything was scrutinized for any signs of distress or potential motives. Then the investigators discovered a series of encrypted messages that hinted at a complicated personal relationship and the difficulties in her economic and financial life. Lastly come the expert testimonies. So during the inquest process, the forensic toxicologist, the pathologist, and even the experts of digital forensics presented their findings in the court. The geneticist explained the rarity of the toxin which was found in Sarah's body and its potential sources. The digital forensic expert also shed light on the aspect that troubled Sarah's personal life and the evidences which proved that she was in financial distress. And lastly, the conclusion of the case came, that is the inquest findings. The inquest finally concluded that our victim, Sarah Thompson, her death was a result of poisoning of the rare toxin, likely ingested intentionally. She has intentionally injected that. The motive apparent to be a combination of personal and economic trouble, as mentioned earlier. As revealed through digital forensics, we get it. The comprehensive forensic analysis provided a clear understanding of the events leading to Sarah Thompson's death and allowing for appropriate legal actions. So definitely this case study highlights the interdisciplinary nature of forensic science, where various specialized fields converge to unravel the mysteries behind a person's death in an inquest acting. So this was all about our topic today. It was Inquest, and I hope you all have liked it. And thanks for your patience. For further details about applied forensic research sciences, for more interesting videos like this, do connect in our Facebook page, Instagram page, Twitter page, and even follow the LinkedIn page. Thank you so much.